Buddy, you know what this is the anniversary of? Our holiday luncheon. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everybody. Okay? This is kind of like a year wrap-up, too, for us, you know. We'll see each other, obviously, before the new year, unless you're on vacation. But we'll see each other. But I just want to tell you about some accomplishments and some great things that this group has done. First, I want to mention the service department. Chevrolet has been 180% trained, which is the second highest in the 20 dealers that we are compared against. We are in the top 5 for sales in all of Chicago. That's out of 59 dealers. But ranking year to date, out of over 3,000 Chevy dealers received, because of sales and service, our 14th Mark of Excellence Award. That is for highest ranking in sales, performance, sales satisfaction, and service satisfaction. 14 years, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. We are the largest fleet and commercial dealer in North Central region for sure, but maybe in the nation. So this may be is this our 12th year for these awards? 12th year? 12th years. So congratulations to the fleet department. But we've also done a lot outside the walls, this group collectively. We hold an annual U.S. barbecue for the troops. This year was our 11th year, I believe. Is that 11 years? Yep. 11 years that we participated in it. And we've raised over, I believe the mark is it 50,000?
Probably 60 now.
$60,000 because of that work we do. Several blood drives, which have helped countless people in our community. A food drive, which this year has helped 2 food pantries, and we've loaded at least 2 trucks full of food because of your generosity and your hard work collecting not only this group, but our customers. We sponsor 5 local high schools. So Raymond could speak to them. They're Grant, Johnsburg, Wakanda, Richmond Burton, and Marion Central. Most recently, we gave away our 4th Jeep for Jeeps on the Run. I saw Patty there. I saw several people from this group. This is our 4th year doing it. That's a lot of money that we've given this group, but this year, so everybody knows who was there, saw the crowd. It was huge. Are going to help 30,000 kids at Christmas time with gifts. This fundraiser / toy collection has filled 3.5 semi-trucks full of toys. It's a lot of kids' lives we're impacting. So it's because of this group, and a big part of it, it's become one of the largest Toys for Tots donation contributors in certainly Chicago, but maybe all of Illinois. If you need to see the true meaning of Christmas, go to Jeeps on the Run event that we helped put on, or this event that we helped put on, and you'll kind of get a taste of really what Christmas is about. Most important, our investment in our people. You know, you are our team members. You are important to us. So we have made a significant amount of investment, and you may have seen people around here. I'm out of breath. We got a lot done, though. It doesn't just happen. This team, this sales, service, parts, the office, the BDC, I can't thank you all enough for what you do. Today, Marvelous, thank you so much for being here. I'm sorry? And we've got gifts for everybody as a holiday gift. We have Omaha Steak Certificate I know some of you have had those in the past. We've got those again. And we also have a gift choice called Snappy. Dina has a list of gifts you can choose if you choose not to get Omaha steaks. But that's from our family to yours, and as just a way to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and to thank you all.